The New Rooster by Rilla Alexander. He'd come a long way. But the new rooster arrived just in time for his new job in a new country. He crowed just as he had every morning back home. Okay, away, oodle day, o day, and waited for the day to begin. But it didn't. This was a surprise. He was very good at his job. He called again, slowly and clearly. Okay, we oodle day o day. That'll do it, he thought. But it didn't. He took a deep breath and yelled at the top of his lungs, okay, away, oh doodle day away. What? Angie? Bacanara? Entschuldigung, silencio, quiet up there, they shouted back. Then they went straight back to sleep. So the new rooster marched inside and tried again. He was sure they'd get the message now. But they didn't. He figured he was out of time and out of a job. He sighed as he thought about the long journey home. He was going to need a good breakfast. He got to work, whipping and flipping, flopping and popping. Cooking had always made the new rooster happy. It also made him hungry, and he wasn't the only one. Everybody was ready for breakfast. The new rooster welcomed them with open arms and all they could eat. Bon appetit. This was worth getting up for. Gracias, you're welcome. Try this. Xi. Isn't he a great chef? Excellent. Thank you for sharing your breakfast. Together, they shared and smiled and chatted. They didn't understand every word they heard, but they tried their best. And so, even after he learned how to say cock-a-doodle-doo and kikere, kikariki, wo, kikiriki, and koko too, the rooster started every day with breakfast. It was something everybody understood.